Hi, I'm Christy Lozano, and I'm running for County of Santa Barbara Superintendent of Schools. As Superintendent of Schools, I have a three-step plan to improve educational outcomes. My first step is to form a literacy task force. The goal of this task force is to raise countywide language proficiency from below 50% where it is today to over 90% where it needs to be. That means doing what works and ending what doesn't. We need more success stories like Santa Barbara Unified's Franklin Elementary School. We need to address dyslexia, not ignore it. That means aligning incentives with outcomes. That means putting resources directly into the classrooms where the magic of learning happens, not just adding on more layers of bureaucracy. If we don't fundamentally address the epidemic of illiteracy, we are undermining the futures of our students and our county. Secondly, I plan on enacting best practices from other successful counties in California and across the country, like Placer County, where a change in leadership a decade ago, coupled with a focus on math and English, has resulted in improved outcomes. Thirdly, I intend for the County Board of Education to lead by example. Of the 102 students in the county's own school, none are proficient in math and English. 0. If the County Board of Education cannot even educate a single student at its own schools, how can it have the moral authority to oversee the education of the 67,000 other students in our county? Together, we can improve our schools. For the first election in 40 years, you have a choice: the failed status quo or me, Christy Lozano.